Today we're adding a touch of simple elegance to our projects with a beautiful buttonhole stitch border. I'm using this lovely bright beige linen, some thread, a needle, and some scissors. This one's perfect for adding a subtle detail to garments, home decor, or anything your heart desires. Let's thread our needle with the mint green pearl cotton. Don't forget to knot the end of your thread. I'm using size 5 pearl cotton thread for this project, which gives a lovely chunky texture, but you could also use embroidery floss if you prefer. Continue stitching the buttonhole stitch along the edge of the fabric, keeping your stitches evenly spaced and consistent in size. It's a simple stitch, but it creates such a beautiful and textured border. I'm going to alternate between the mint green and white thread to create a striped effect. Check out this lovely border. I love how the buttonhole stitch creates such a delicate and textured edge, and the combination of mint green and white, so fresh and stylish. You can create any color combination you like, or even stick to a single color for a more classic look. I love how the pearl cotton thread gives it such a lovely texture. This stitch is so versatile, you can use it on all sorts of projects. It's a simple way to add a touch of handmade charm to your creations. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handiworks for more stitching inspiration. Happy crafting!